I promise you, you get your money. You surely have it. Why don't you trust me?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, or I'll return the boots.
You what? Eh? You go what? You what? I go send you go see what? Who go pay the price of a new Timberland already used? The interest rate still apply. The next time you refuse you go pay, I dey triple the price. If I see some small mistake, I dey triple the price. But next time, I go disgrace you for public. You know what I talk? Nonsense. Boom, book at last. Make a diva and you see.
What's up?
I make wild.
Why? Haven't you eaten?
Why? Like go take me go out or something. Who is that boy?
Oh, it's probably some Mr. Otia who is coming to drop off his woman, you know.
No doubt about it.
Hey, it's a Rama.
Damn! I killed that one. Who was that?
Good day to you too.
I said, who was that?
I am very fine, thank you. It's just a friend who was coming my way. You have a problem with him?
I went from this person.
Oh, I know who it didn't come from, and that is you.
Not much luck with Movam?
With who?
With Movam.
Movam?
Yes. For money vampire. Because that's what she is anyway. And frankly, I keep wondering what you're even doing with her. Because one, you can't afford her. And two, she's way out of your league.
Well, I'm going to do something about the first one. If not both.
What do you mean? Are you suddenly about to become a millionaire?
Yes. Tomorrow, in fact.
Tomorrow? What will happen tomorrow?
You know I'm on the planning committee for the upcoming Hall Week celebration?
Yes.
Well, tomorrow, we'll be going to the bank for 11 million CDs and I plan to steal it.
I think the Simon Templar movie and novels have gotten to your head.
Why do you think I've been reading or watching them? For inspiration. And believe me, I've been thinking about this for a very long time.
Surely you must be joking.
See, I've been thinking of nothing less since last night. And I believe you and I can pull it off.
We? Sorry, Bonnie, but I can't be your Clyde.
Oh. This is even going to be better than Bonnie and Clyde. Because no one will even realize the money is missing until it's too late.
Listen to yourself. Just listen to yourself. You are talking about stealing here. I mean stealing.
Stealing?
Yes!
From who?
The whole, of course.
Oh. After all, it's our money. And no one is going to die if we do without one meaningless float and an equally meaningless hip life concert. And
a beach trip.
Yes, and a very useless beach trip. Now, listen. Here's the plan. Here you are. Follow the plan. We are home free.
I can't do it.
Oh, Nanea. I thought we have already crossed this point.
It's just too big a leap for me.
Come on. You're just performing an exchange, that's all. Okay, take a look at it this way. You're just saving the hall from spending its time and energy on 2 or 3 meaningless activities, that's all.
What rudeness! Some people can be so ill-mannered. He's very lucky I didn't take a good look at him. If not, the next time I meet him, I will give him a good piece of my mind.
You let's go.
Such manners. He doesn't seem to be around. Where could he be? Hello? Yes. Where are you? In a lecture. So what do we do with the money?
Just leave it in the room, keep long.
Are you sure it's safe?
Yes, it is. Isn't Jamie with you?
Yeah. He's here with me, yes.
I already told him I have a lecture this afternoon.
Okay. All right. I have a lecture in the afternoon, so I'll see you later.
Okay,
Okay.
bye.
Bye. He says we can leave it behind.
Okay. What have you got to hide?
Ah, Jenny, it's you.
Yeah, it's me. Freshen up. I'm taking you out.
You? Taking me out?
Yeah.
To the fried yams and pepper spots, or where?
Well, if that's what you want, fine. But I was thinking of probably some sauteed potatoes and, you know, some ice cream afterwards.
Why? Have you come into some money or what?
You get ready and let's go.
You don't mean it.
Yes.
Please excuse me.
Don't be long.
I won't.
Don't have much time. Now, where's that boy?
Nanayao?
Yes. Won't you sit down?
I thought we only came here for money.
You talk too much. Just shut up and close your eyes.
Close my eyes?
Yes. I have a surprise for
Surprise for me.
you. Yes. Close those eyes.
Okay.
Are you close them?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Ta-da. How is that possible?
Is this your surprise?
No. There's supposed to be money in there.
Money? So, who could have taken it?
Let me borrow some credits to call it.
Nanayao?
That Iscariot's phone is off. But I thought I saw him make that switch. Oh, he didn't.
Who made what switch? Hello? In the room. Not really. Please hold on a second. I suppose the Alton is off.
Unless you're paying. Yes.
Hello? Yes, I'll be there. Bye. Sorry, I got to go. Okay?
Couldn't perform the simple task. Swap the bags. Yes.
Charlie Jimmy, yo, the money no day.
What do you mean the money is not there?
Look, there's just the rubber bag with pieces of papers just cut inside. The money is not there.
What? How is that possible?
impossible. Charlie, you have to come. Charlie, we are in big trouble.
I told you guys this wasn't going to work. It wasn't safe. Huh? Leaving so much money in an unlocked room.
Didn't you guys see anyone lurking around the time you're dropping the money?
No. When we left your room, Jamie said he wanted to see someone on my block. So we all went together.
Yeah, then from there I went to my room.
What I don't understand is the cut up pieces of paper. Why didn't the person just take the whole rubber bag?
Yeah. I think the person must have already known about the money, even before we delivered it.
Unfortunately, every member of the planning committee knows that we are going for the money from the bank today. Oh God. My detractors will just have a field day initiating impeachment proceedings against me. If that's not the plan already.
You think it's a conspiracy?
But what other conclusion can I come to?
What? What's funny?
I'm just imagining the headlines. Treasurer and Entertainment Secretary negligently causing financial loss to the hall. Can you imagine? Don't tell me this.
I think I have a voicemail.
I have the money. Think I'm your worst nightmare? No, because you find 10 million in the bank behind the hall. It will be in your own interest to keep quiet about the whole affair. Over and out.
I think we should cut our losses and follow the advice.
I agree.
Okay. But does anyone recognize the sound of that voice?
It was clearly disguised.
Okay, what about the number? Do you recognize it?
Look, the whole thing seems surreal. Like some Hollywood movie or something. 10 million is not 11 million. But at least it's better than nothing. Let's go for the money before somebody stumbles upon it.
Where have you been?
Have you forgotten today is Thursday? I had lectures all afternoon. What are you eating? Fried down and pepper. Oh. How can your kids survive this?
Don't you owe me an explanation? Spoiling all my plans.
I didn't spoil your plans. I only revised it.
Revised it.
Yeah. There is no way you can come into 11 million cities without anyone noticing and even suspecting it. And in the same way, there is no chance Soje and Georgette keep quiet over the loss of 11 million cities of the house money.
So, what did you do?
Well, when you left this morning, I took some leaves from your old notebooks and made those dummy notes that I presume you saw when you came back to the room.
With Irama.
Oh, I see. Then it's good I did what I did. Because what do you think would have happened if she saw all that money and later heard 11 million cities of the hall's money can't be found? In a way, I saved you from yourself. And as for 250,000...
250,000?
Yeah. 450 for the new Kasapa phone I used to make the call.
Why a new phone?
But whose were you expecting me to use? Mine or yours? Which is well known by Soje and company. And almost 50,000 cities for this. 250 for you, 250 for me.
250,000 cities. This guy even upset my debt to World Bank.
Debt?
Yeah.
What debt?
I owe World Bank almost 1 million cities. You are talking of 250,000 cities. And he's even supposed to come for it any moment from now.
Charlie. Woo! I've been dada. Near kind of see Charlie.